Okay guys, in this question we are given some statements about saponification reaction and we need to identify the correct statement out of the given statements. So first statement is heat is evolved in these reactions. It is true because in saponification reactions they are exothermic, so the heat is evolved. And the second statement is for quick precipitation of soap, sodium chloride is added to the reaction mixture. It is true as well. And the third statement is saponification reactions are special kinds of neutralization reaction. It is false because saponification reaction is not a neutralization reaction. It is hydrolysis reaction, which does not involve the formation of any water molecule. And the fourth option is soaps are basic salts of long chain fatty acids. It's true because the making of soap involves long chain fatty acids like neem oil. So the correct answer of this question is option C.